Our little brookie. All right, let's get him back in there. Go get him, buddy.
All right, happy Cinco de Mayo. It is May 5th, about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm on one of my favorite stretches of rivers in New Jersey, the Musconetcong. You see over here behind me, it's beautiful. She's low again. It was a nice little flow on the Pequest on Friday. We got a little extra rain, but midday, I'm surprised all the people that were out fishing today. So we're going to celebrate Cinco de Mayo before tacos with some trout fishing. So hang in there and let's see if we catch anything. All right, we'll be back.
Well, if I was a trout, I'd be sitting right in here. Let's see if we got any. Oh, there we go. Ah, first cast for a little one. All right. This is my first cast. And I don't know what it is. I don't think it's trout, though. Oh, maybe it is. I don't know. Oh, no kidding. Wow. I have not caught one of these in forever. Check this out. A little brook trout. Oh, wow. He is so pretty. Look at him. He's small, but look at that little brookie. All right, let's get him back in there. Go get him, buddy. Wow, that was cool. That was worth the price of admission right there, boys and girls. Well, I haven't caught a brook trout since I was a kid. Okay. That's a nice one. Swimming around. He's swimming. Come here, buddy. Get the net. Oh. All right, easy, easy, easy. Easy, 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 easy. Get the net. There you go. Oh, the pretty one. Really pretty this week. A lot lighter. Last week they were a lot darker. There he is. Go get him.